There is a candle in every soul, some brightly burning, some dark and cold. There is a spirit who brings a fire, ignites a candle, and makes his home. Let's raise our candles and light up the sky. Praying to our Father in the name of Jesus. Make us a beacon in the darkest time. Carry your candle round to the darkness. Seek out the deceived and poor. Hold down your candle for all to see it. Take your candle, go light your world. Carry your candle round to the darkness. Seek out the hopeless, deceived and poor. Hold down your candle for all to see it. Take your candle, go light your world. Take your candle, go light your Malasagi para boy patang tanim kosek.
Amen! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Kan lungoy!